Welcome to a groundbreaking exploration of limitless creativity in the world of digital architecture. In this video, we are about to unveil a revolutionary fusion of two powerful tools, the Buildify add-on and the Blosm add-on. Prepare to be amazed as we demonstrate an innovative method to seamlessly combine these add-ons and unlocking a new realm of possibilities for creating intricate building models, all at absolutely no cost. So let's get started. So to get started, let's first select everything and delete, and press N, and you can find the Blosm add-on here. If it's not here, that means you haven't checked it here. So go to Edits and Preferences, Add-ons, and then search for Blosm and make sure this box is checked. In case you haven't downloaded the Blosm add-on, I've made a video previously. You can go back and watch that on how to download the Blosm add-on for Blender. So additionally, once you have done that, also make sure that the directory to store downloaded OpenStreetMap and terrain files, make sure you give the directory of your choice here. So that's all here. Next, you'll find the add-on here, Blosm. So open it up and you can start importing. So for now, I won't be needing the water objects. Also, I'll turn off the forests, I'll turn off the vegetation also. And just for now, I won't need the roads and the paths. But if you want, you can check this. I just want to show you this using the building examples. That's all. Alright, so to get started, press select, and when you press select, it will open up your web browser, the OpenStreetMap. So I'm somewhere in Paris. I've zoomed into a place, to a specific area. So for your case, you can also follow this one, or you can search up or zoom into any place of your choice. So now I have, but always make sure that your area is not really big, otherwise it will take many hours, many time to take too long to download. So once you click on selection triangle, it will mark it like this. You can vary the area of the triangle by dragging this thing. So once you are happy with this, press copy. Now it says successfully copied, and go back to Blender, and here you have the option to paste the coordinates. So when you paste it, the coordinates change, which means the values have been registered. So all that's left now is to import the 3D building models. So let's go ahead and click import. So make sure that you are on OpenStreetMap option and click on import. This may take some time depending on our speed. Since I've chosen like a smaller area, it took like 10 seconds. Okay, so the buildings are clipping around here, which means that I have to go to the view and I have to change the end value of the camera from 1000 meter. Let's make it bigger to 10,000. Alright, now we can displace everything. Okay, so we have managed to import. Maybe this view is better. we have managed to import the building models. We'll turn on the cavity. Maybe I want the details also to be displayed. Okay. So now, today what I wanted to show you is last time we have done up to this part. These are simple models, but if you want, you can add Buildify add-on, which is another add-on that we discussed last time, and then we can add combine it with OpenStreetMap to make these buildings more complex. Here, as you can see, they are just now flat walls, no windows, doors, nothing. So to change that, you can use a Buildify option. So for that, let's go back to the Blosm and change this from 3D to 2D and keep it on buildings. So here on the file it says search for the place where you downloaded the Buildify add-on. So this add-on, the Buildify add-on, I've made a video last time, so you can go back and watch how you can download and use the Buildify add-on in Blender. So once you downloaded that add-on, you can go to the place where you downloaded the add-on. Mine is here, Buildify 1.0. So select that and open it. So now it's opened and the file path is set. Next up is the name. Change this to building. Alright. Now everything is good. Now we can click on import. Again, this may take some time also, so let's wait a little bit. And it's done. Okay, so I'm going to hide the previous models that we imported so that we can see the new ones. And as you can see now our models are not flat anymore. Here you can see we have wall details, we have windows, we have doors, and we have different wall facade structures on the walls. So this is really amazing. So we have here AC system, things like that. If you remember, the roof area was just flat. Now we are adding some details to it. Yeah, so this is like an urban area view. So this can be useful if you are planning to render out some urban view, urban setting as a background, things like that. Or you can also do like a drone, a flyover over this city. Or even you can use this for game engines or game applications. You can use this as a virtual city, things like that. So many applications. Yeah, so that will be all for today. I hope this tip is useful for you, and yeah, that's it. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and next time I'll see you with another Blender tutorial. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.